name's Justin Harper. I'm an adapted PE teacher, and I made a channel kind of dedicated to doing some at-home adapted PE, I guess you would say, or activities. Things you can follow along with, things you can do in basis with the school program. So this is an activity my students love, and you'll notice with all this stuff I use just basic household things that most people have around the house. Sometimes I do it so ridiculous just to kind of make a point, like we have a Gatorade bottle tied to a string, and we have rolls of paper towels. Alright, so when I'm at work or like on a campus, I'll use a tether ball usually, an adapted swing or whatever I can hang the tether ball from, and then the plastic bowling pins. But here at home today, this is what we have. So it's tether bowling. You have something tethered that's heavy, like my Gatorade bottle. It's tied to the ceiling, and just make sure that all your bowling pins are within a range that this can hit. All right, and this is great for students that are in wheelchairs or severe, profound disabilities, cerebral palsy. You have them take it back, and it's like a target acquisition. They have to line it up, and then they can just let it go. All right, and they love this game. When the first time I really did it with my students, I was kind of like, all right, you know, they'll like it. It'll be all right. But they really loved it. I was surprised. I was kind of stoked actually, because you know how it is as teachers. Sometimes you put a bunch of time and effort into an activity, and then it doesn't really work out. And there's other times where it's real simple and easy, like this right here, and kids love it. So you can take them back. They can be in a chair, standing, whatever their least restrictive movement is, you would say. All right. Boom. Oh, I missed it. I got it on the way back. And they almost always get a hit. You can stack them because they love to see things fly. You can like spread them out and make it a little bit more difficult to where they have to pick off targets. All right. So you can try to swing it one way. Maybe they get two. If they miss, grab it, hand it back to them. All right, let them go again. I like to do it also with tennis ball cans. I coach tennis also, so I have a lot of tennis ball cans laying around from time to time, and I'll give them to the class and let them fill them with marbles, because it has that really cool, you know, explosion or rattling sound. Students, especially with like visual impairment like that, because it's you know, it gives you some feedback. And then it turns into like an occupational therapy project. You know, they can paint them, fill them with rocks. I mean, you can do whatever it is you want to do. Bells are cool on them, and it's all simple at-home stuff. All right, man. Thanks. And it's all simple at-home items. All right, thanks for checking out the channel.